Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In previous video, we had learned what is PEB building, what is the use of it, how does it design, what is the advantage and disadvantage of it. Today we will learn what are the type of PEB building. You will see that a building is made by joining several fabricated frames together and the cross sections of this frame varies from building to building. You will see the cross sections of some buildings looks like this, some like this, some like this. Today we will learn why this happens or why it's made this way. So stay with us and I will start our session. First of all, we will understand about this cross section. The vertical member of it called columns and the horizontal member of it called rafters. There are many other components which we will discuss in further video. In this structure, columns and rafter are fastened together to form a frame and several frames are joined together with purlins to form the buildings. You will notice that these frames have different design for different building. These different frame design are called different type of PV buildings. There are different type of PV buildings. Clear span building, multi-span building. There are many types in multi-span building. Multi-span 1, multi-span 2, multi-span 3, and next, clear span with EOT crane provision, multi-span with mezzanine floor, multi-span with EOT cranes and mezzanines, multi-gable, single slope building, lean-to building, build-up curve rafter, roof system building. Now we will learn about the constructions and use of all these buildings. Clear span building. First, let's explain what a span is. The distance between two main columns is called span. Clear span building have no intermediate columns. Since there are no intermediate columns, we can utilize the floor area without any disturbance. The maximum practical width of this type of building can be up to 60 meter, which is very useful for medium and large industries. In addition, this type of building is suitable for warehouse, conventional hall, aircraft hangar, showroom, and auditorium buildings. Now we will discuss about multi-span building. There are several type of multi-span building. Multi-span 1, multi-span 2, multi-span 3, multi-span 1. This type of building has an intermediate column in its center, which bring its maximum practical span up to 120 meter. We call it multi-span 1 because of this type of building has one intermediate column in its frame, which is why its maximum practical width is significantly greater than that of a clear span building. This type of building is often used as a workshop building, showroom, or warehouse. Next is multi-span 2. This type of building has two intermediate columns in its frame, giving it a maximum practical span up to 180 meter. This type of building is used for large warehouse and logistic godown. Multi-span 3. This type of building has three intermediate columns in its frame, giving it a maximum practical span up to 240 meters. This type of building is used in large warehouse, large textile mill, rolling mill. The biggest advantage of multi-span 2 and 3 buildings is that it provides stability even for wide span of building. Next is clear span with EOT crane provision. This type of building has brackets built into the columns to rest the crane beam on it. The crane beam is fixed to the columns and the EOT crane is operated over it. This type of building is used for work such as workshop, rolling mill, furnace yard, and godowns. If a building has EOT cranes provision, handling materials becomes much easier. Next is multi-span with mezzanine floor. In this type of building, some area of the building is provided with an extra floor, which can be used for the office space or to monitor the work area. Here, customer can customize the mezzanine floor to suit their needs. This type of design allows you to add office space without reducing your work area. This is very suitable for productions, industries, or warehouse. Next is multi-gable. This type of building has two ridge line. One of it is here and another one is here. Let me explain what these ridge line are. The highest point of building is called the ridge point and this line is called the ridge line. Since this frame has two ridge line, it is called a multi-gable. All the building frames we have seen before were single ridge line and this one have with two ridge line. This type of building is used for large span buildings. In large span building, the rainwater load on the roof becomes very heavy during the rainy season. Therefore, a multi-gable building is the safest way to drain this water. In multi-level buildings, we build multiple drainage system on the roof so that the rainwater load on the roof is reduced. Next is single slope building. This type of building is very useful for small businesses. It is very simple and easy in construction. This type of building is used for small warehouse and small workshop and many other household work purpose. Next is lean-to building. If we extend an already existing building using a single slope, this is called a lean-to building. If an entrepreneur is operating in a small building and later want to extend their shed, they can do so using a single slope on the existing building. This is called lean-to building. Next is build-up curb rafter. This type of building has a curved rafter. You may have noticed that all previous building had straight rafters, but this building has curved rafter. This type of building is often used in metro stations or aircraft hangars. Curved rafter gives the building a unique look. The maximum practical width of this type of building is up to 50 meter. Next is roof system building. In this type of building, a frame of fabricated steel rafter is placed on the top of RCC column, and many other frames are joined together with the help of purlins to form a building. This is what we call a roof system building. The maximum practical span of this type of building can be up to 50 meter. So friend, that's all for today's video. In the next video, we will discuss about the component of the PEB buildings and its use. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.